New at Vangear is the updated Caddy-Pod. We're calling this the Caddy-Pod 2.0. So we kept the same footprint, 6 10mm wide, 3 10mm deep. That allows the maximum space for the bed. But we've increased the height to 600mm, and we've changed the door design. So now you've got this flip down door with more storage in there because we've redesigned the drawers we've raised the drawers to higher up. So this top section now slides out. So again, the premise of the Caddy-Pod is the ability to cook inside and outside. So the lids slot into slots on the end, form tables. That one can slide in there. So you've got your stove here, your sink, and a cordless tap, which is a little battery in there, as I said before. Just on here, you've got your USB connector. So you charge the battery, and then you just push the hose into the bottom of the tap, and you've got your 2 water bottles there. So I think it's a good height for inside. Increasing the height has increased the storage. And then outside, it's now a little bit taller, but the mechanism works well. You've got top access into the Caddy-Pod, which is increased in storage, and obviously you get into it from the front there. There's also bungees on the back there that allow you to use the lids as either a wind break or a splashback. And you can cook here, you can cook outdoors.